My name is Steve McClave, and I'm a working professional. I take New Dock wherever I go. It's small, lightweight, and easy to use. Basically, you just open up the top, plug in your smartphone, and then you can use an HDMI cord to attach it to any screen. New Dock especially helps when I'm giving a presentation to clients. Rather than using a whole computer, I can just use my cell phone, and my touchscreen makes it especially easy. And New Dock is more than a workstation. If I want to watch a movie, I can just plug it into any screen or projector. I can also use it to play all my favorite video games on by plugging them in as well. It's even capable of 4K resolution with any compatible screen or projector. You can use an HDMI cord to plug it into any screen. You can also attach an external hard drive, a keyboard, an SD card, a micro SD card, another phone, and can also power all your devices at lightning speed. The SD ports can support cards of up to 2 terabytes, with transfer speeds of up to 104 megabytes per second. With New Dock, it doesn't matter whether it's an Airbnb, a hotel, or a friend's office. If I've got work to do, I can plug it into any screen and get it done. It's small, smart, and easy to use. It changed my life. I hope it can change yours too.
I love to travel, and when I travel, I like to have my things organized and accessible. We are the creators of the luggage that was voted best carry-on bag by all the biggest names in travel. USA Today, Travel and Leisure, you name it. And now we're raising the bar even higher. What we have designed is the upgraded model of our enormously successful carry-on, which we have shipped to tens of thousands of fans across the globe. Meet Genius Pack Supercharged, a maximum capacity carry-on built with a unique charging capability with 2 external USB ports to recharge smartphones up to 4 times. Juice up your smartphone and tablet all at the same time. The Power Pack is fully removable and complies with airline standards. We designed the green cable as an all-in-one cable to recharge your iPhone, Android devices, and also recharge the luggage itself. It has not 4 but 8 wheels for a 360-degree super smooth glide designed to wheel effortlessly on multiple terrains. It's extremely light, just 6.8 pounds. The zipper pullers click into the integrated combination lock. Take my word, we did not cut corners on quality. The external shell is 100% polycarbonate, the stuff they use for bulletproof material. The telescopic handle is made of 100% aircraft-grade anodized aluminum, reinforced impact-resistant corners, scratch and stain resistant, top and side easy grab handles. All of our units are rigorously tested. We put our luggage on treadmills for miles to guarantee the wheels last. We conduct jerk tests to ensure the bag can carry heavy loads. But what really makes this bag great is in the inside. There's category compartments for tech, socks, undergarments, and we even built an embedded checklist so you never forget your belts again. We built these compartments with a specialized stretch mesh. You'll be amazed on how much you can fit in here. There is a garment loop for hanging clothes. The rest of your clothing fit comfortably in the main cavity. These compression straps keep everything in place and minimizes wrinkling. As you wear your clothes, the left side becomes a secluded laundry compartment, so your dirty clothes never touch your clean clothes. From the day I launched Genius Pack in 2013, I listened closely to all of your feedback. We've shipped over 75,000 units to happy customers all around the globe. This product is a creation of numerous rounds of prototypes. Our skilled craftsmen are eagerly waiting to get these produced. We need your support to bring this product to life.
We are Hiddies. The AT80 that launched in the previous crowdfunding has been hailed as the best portable hi-fi player. Today, we are pushing your audio experience to a whole new level. The new product solves a lack of versatility and portability dilemma in hi-fi monitor earphones. If you are an everyday listener of high-res audio, you have to buy different earphones for different use scenarios. Introducing The Hideous Mermaid MS4 Hybrid in-ear monitor earphones. A pair of audio headphones integrates top-notch quality sound and portability. Empowered by triple BA drivers, the Knowles high-frequency driver, hybrid dual-balanced armature drivers, and equipped 10.2mm patented polymer diaphragm. Hideous MS4 delivers incredible superb sound on all frequencies. Featuring the universal gold-plated interface design and detachable cord system, MS4 can be easily transformed according to your desire. You just need one pair of headphones to enjoy ultimate audio in all scenarios. The first Type-C headphone cable with built-in DAC chip delivers you powerful lossless audio without the need of inserting the headphones to the hi-fi player. Plug the Bluetooth 5.0 aptX controller. You can enjoy CD-grade high-quality music with 8-hour playtime. And even take a call with it. Portable and enjoyable. Connecting the balanced cords to your hi-fi devices for the higher level of hi-fi enjoyment. Regular cable allows you to adapt to a universal audio device. Whether you're on the road, at home, or work, or even work out, Hideous MS4 offers you the immersive sound experience. Hideous Mermaid MS4, the best hi-fi in-ear monitor with ultimate convenience.